Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber War. This is another bug bite, very short video with just one idea. The question is how to actually get bugs and get paid for them. YouTube has a bunch of videos, you can look at all of them, you can do all that. If you really want to put in the work and to start with something practical, you're already at an average level of reading the things, but you can't find much. I can point you in the right direction with one advice. Take this guide, Common Security Issues in Financially Oriented Web Applications. I'm going to put a link in the description. Take this guide. It takes you step by step. It tells you all the problems that a financial website with payments or with e-commerce has or can have. And well, guarantee it's a strong word, but I have a good feeling that if you test all of these, everything, all the potential vulnerabilities for one big application, which is financial or e-commerce, you will find a bug, which is not a duplicate, and you will make money. But you need to actually put in the work. Stop reading everything you've been reading for the past 2 years and actually start doing something, okay? You don't even need a burp suite for this. You can do it with OS app or something free, okay? So go to HackerOne, go to Backrowd, go wherever. Find programs that are finance or e-commerce oriented and start hunting on them, okay? And use this guide, which is very clear, step by step. Ask any questions in the comments. I will try to answer. If you have specific questions for tell me exactly what you did. Like I tried 2.1.3 and I can't seem to manage because reasons, and I can point you towards some tools or some methods, but this is the practical advice, okay? Take this document, understand all the steps and apply them on websites that have a bug bounty program and are in the financial or e-commerce sector. That's it. That's the advice. And then even more important advice, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you here in these videos where you report your big payout. Goodbye. Have a great day.